Good morning. It's the 10th of September 2021, and welcome to the Storm Daily Morning Meeting. Just going to recap yesterday. I think, it's been quite a market that hasn't been conducive to much buying in our index. I think, yes, obviously the theme during the week has been PGM sell-off, stronger dollar, stronger rand, which also doesn't bode well for the index. And sell-off in commodities, even into diversifieds. Yesterday, we had BHP Billiton, Anglos, the whole complex trading quite rough. The Aussie similarly has been quite weak. So I think looking to today being Friday, some inflation data later. Not too much on our radar. I think this morning Asia's decently bid. We had decent or some positive China PBOC news. I think we had some positive comments also, I think, between Xi and Biden. So Asia looks pretty solid, not too much panic. 10 cents up, was up just over 1% earlier. I think so. Looking to one or two ideas, no massive conviction. So just to put that into perspective, I think we're going to start mentioning, what are high conviction trades on what are low ones. I think a lot of them have been, sort of pretty moderate and not really hugely confident. But anyway, going back to a few ideas for the day. I think we're going to have a look maybe at Naspers. Naspers obviously got smacked yesterday. I think we obviously had China clamping down more on that gaming. Obviously a massive red candle. I think you can feel when the buyer does come in, or when there are buyers that do come in. There was a few guys collecting around 2,420. Let's watch it to see this morning. Might give you an opportunity once things have settled to maybe look at a long position. The next one is obviously going to be, well, not obviously, but I think in the platinum sector, it's going to be quite interesting. I think, many guys have been properly swung out of this. I think ECB yesterday was relatively dovish on their outcome. Dollar is a bit weaker this morning, so I think you might get a little bit of stance. And then you've got this inflation data that's coming out later. So, I'd maybe have a look at Sibanye. Sibanye is one that, obviously been smashed. I think if we're looking for any levels, we're not looking to commit to this long term. It's a short-term day trade, but around, I think if we get anything around 51.50, it might be decent for a move higher. The next one that we're going to look at is Impala's. Our Storm on Twitter, tweeted about being short of this. I think the target has been reached. I definitely think this is one that we might be, looking to maybe look to nibble on a dead cat bounce this morning. Similarly, in Northams, I think all the charts are pretty much the same. The level here is 171. I think you can see it looks like quite a big bottom of the head and shoulders, which hasn't really broken to the bottom yet. So might be one to nibble on this morning. I think you've got a stronger rhodium price. So let's have a look at that. And then finally, I think we can maybe watch for a bit of continuation here in Aspen. Aspen had a massive, decent day yesterday. Certainly one that I think we could maybe look to build on. I think the market will need a bit of digestion, maybe a retest of the breakout here at 201. I think there's pretty much nothing until I think about 240 or 244. So definitely want to keep an eye on, and I think to own on pullbacks. So if we do get any aggressive pullbacks, I think Aspen's one that we want to look at. I think if you look at Aspen in relation to all the other drug makers, Pfizer and Moderna, and a whole lot of them, I think they really haven't even moved yet. So don't get caught short of this one. It could be quite an aggressive move. And then finally, I think just to look at this morning, the Aussie's pricing. I think this is one that we might be looking to nibble on. I think the market is quite long, but I think anywhere around 5,800, you might get a decent opportunity there. All right. Good luck with the day.